What's good, everyone? It's your boy John. It's Monday, August 9th, and I'm back at the park for another Raptor update. So the first thing I noticed coming into the park is there was a lot of rebar being moved around. They must have just got a shipment in because I've seen them moving several pieces from side to side and dropping it off where they're storing most of it, basically where Tidal Wave Station used to be. While I was over here, I also noticed a lot of action going on over by the Justice League area, so we'll go take a look at that in a little bit. So as we head over here, you'll see that not much has changed since last Friday. The biggest difference that I noticed in the area was a bunch of new spray markings on the ground. This is most likely to indicate where they're going to be digging another big caisson. So it seems like Teen Titans Pizza is closed for good now. I heard word that it was operating yesterday, but when I walked by earlier, I saw some of the kitchen equipment already being removed, so this leads me to believe that it's going to be demolished any week now. So I finally made it over to the Justice League Riddlers area, and I was kind of bummed because it seemed like everyone had taken off for the day, but then all of a sudden this happened. Here's an overlook of the whole site from here, as well as a look at another big caisson that they've dug out, as well as installed the rebar in. Over here, the first thing you're going to notice is that they got the sonar tubing cut to spec already. Expect this to be installed tomorrow and for them to be poured on Wednesday. This is really great to see because once the pile caps are dry and complete, they're ready to go vertical in this section. Here's just an overlook of the section with the current amount of sonar tubing to be installed tomorrow. Seems to be 11 or 12 of them in total. That's going to conclude it for this week's update. Going to close out with a shot of the station, as well as how far they've come with the footers in this area. Appreciate everybody watching as usual. Make sure to stay tuned this week, as there'll most likely be another update due to how much is going on at the site right now. Until then, though, this has been John, and this has been your Theme Park ERT.